Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10 Minute Trades, and I want to show you this week's trade of the week. Nothing special this week, no great, incredible lessons, just a very traditional, beautiful breakout trade. So let me show you what happened in the trade room. Now, ISM Services has been an event that we've been trading for many, many years. It used to be a prime trade going back 4 years ago. Now it's getting ready to be a family money trade. Just remember all the trades we discuss for educational purposes, so trade carefully, please. But ISM Services, I had a plan. I really felt that it was going to be a solid report to trade with bonds, and that was our DMM. We had an alternative bond approach. Let me show you the correct DMM, ISM Services. Scroll down a little bit to see our DMM for bonds. I was using a slightly smaller bracket. I felt we were just going to get a solid move in one direction. Let me show you the trade because that's really what happened. I'm fast forwarding the video. Here we are right before the trade, just so you understand what I'm trading. ZN is the bond futures using the NinjaTrader platform. Little X's are my orders. The news comes out, the price of the bond shoots up, goes through my first target, hits my second target for quick and easy $578.13. Quick and easy. Watch it again. No pressure. It shoots up, hits my first target. Pull down my second target a little bit, hits that second target, 578.13. A traditional bread and butter breakout trade on ISM Services. That's what happened this week in the trade room. We'd love to teach you how to do this.